Hey, food enthusiasts! Today we're serving up one of the brightest, crunchiest bites of the season, spring vegetable fresh rolls with peanut sauce. Yes, they're light, bright, and bursting with so many veggies, your body might just text you a thank you note. Picture this: translucent rice paper like edible wrapping paper, and inside? A rainbow of crunchy goodness: pea shoots, carrots, cucumber, cabbage, mint, and basil. It's basically a garden party rolled up just for you. These rolls don't just look good. I'm completely obsessed. They are the moment, and I could eat them every day. And let's talk about the real star here, the peanut dipping sauce. Creamy, nutty, with a hint of lime and a little kick from chili flakes. I've considered sipping it from a cup. What I love most? They're as fun to make as they are to eat. It's like arts and crafts, but edible and way more rewarding. Plus, no cooking, just rolling, dipping, and serving main character energy on a plate. Confession time. I'm a total fan for anything that makes veggies feel fancy. These fresh rolls? They're my ultimate, I'm healthy but also fabulous dish. I bring them to parties and suddenly I'm the guest everyone asks for the recipe. So next time you want something fresh, fabulous, and packed with crunch, try these. Pair them with that dreamy peanut sauce and unlock your snack goals. Stay colorful, stay crunchy, and don't forget to like and follow for more edible adventures.